Two flights carrying Indian nationals from Iran as part of Operation Sindhu arrived in India overnight, bringing the total number of Indian evacuees to 517. India launched Operation Sindhu to ensure safe evacuation of Indian nationals amidst the ongoing war between Iran and Israel. Well, majority of evacuees are from Jammu and Kashmir, while others are from Delhi, Haryana, Karnataka, West Bengal and other states. The development comes as the Iranian government announced the opening of its airspace for Indian evacuation flights.
वहाँ के हालात अभी जंग के हालात थे। हमें लग रहा था कि हम कैसे जाएंगे, बॉर्डर से कैसे निकलेंगे, पर इंडिया सरकार के हम शुक्रगुजार हैं। उन्होंने हमें बहुत अच्छे तरीके से निकाल लिया।
The situation in Tehran was quite devastating. At first, we didn't expect this will escalate to this much, but somehow the Operation Sindoor, it was so successful. I couldn't believe the Indian embassy has done this much effort for us, because we all Indian, like Indian Kashmiris, are really thankful to the Indian government who had put this much effort. And the interesting thing was that they just opened that air base from Mashhad just for the Indian students, and that was really appreciable.
Meanwhile, India approved the evacuation of nationals belonging to Nepal and Sri Lanka from Iran. After it received special requests from the respective governments, now the Indian embassy in Tehran said that citizens of Nepal and Sri Lanka can reach out on Telegram or emergency numbers. India has expressed its gratitude to the government of Iran for facilitating the India-bound flights amid the tense situation in the country. The Ministry of External Affairs also confirmed that evacuation flights from Israel will commence soon.
ये हम लोग के हमारे लिए ये बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि ईरान सरकार ने अपना एयर स्पेस हमारे लिए ओपन कर दिया है, और ये भारत और ईरान के बीच जो मैत्री है ये उसको दर्शाता है। और ये उस फ्लाइट से आए, उस रूट से आए हुए ये पहली फ्लाइट है। सो इनको देखकर हमें बड़ी खुशी है, क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत खुश हैं देश पहुंचकर, और इन्होंने भारत सरकार का शुक्रिया अदा किया है। अभी जैसे सरकार ने हमने अनाउंस किया है कि इजराइल से भी ऑपरेशन सिंधु के तहत फ्लाइट्स आने का काम शुरू होगा। जैसे ही सारे डिटेल्स हम लोगों को मिल जाएंगे, फ्लाइट डिटेल्स वगैरह, हम लोग आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर लेंगे।
Well, parallel to this, the list of countries evacuating their nationals from Iran continues to grow. Latest being the United Arab Emirates, which has evacuated a number of its nationals and residents from Iran.